what's up everyone? Before I get into the giveaway, I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you. 2024 has been a crazy year. I premiered a film in New York, traveled to so many incredible places. I got to work on projects that I loved, and a lot of that is largely due to you guys supporting me on here. Another thing I'm insanely proud of is launching my LUT collection, which I launched in January of last year, which is basically just the video filters that I put on top of all the footage. So all the footage you saw in this video has those on it. And this past year, hundreds of you have purchased it, and honestly, that just goes so far towards helping me and helping this channel. And the feedback that I've gotten from it has been amazing. In 2024, this channel that started from nothing just a few years ago grew by over 160,000 subscribers, which is completely insane to me. So if you joined this year, welcome to the fam. And to say thank you, I want to give away a brand new Hero 13. Not this specific one, because this one's kind of destroyed. I'm on a motorcycle trip right now and it's just getting beat to hell, but a brand new one. All right, so here's the instructions on the giveaway. It's pretty simple. First off, just like this video and make sure you're subscribed. Next, leave a comment down below. Then lastly, just follow me on Instagram. I'll put my handle right here. Good luck, and thank you guys so much for all the support in 2024. All right, see you guys on the next one. Peace.